Welcome to 1340 Brook Street, Unit J, a beautifully rehabbed apartment. Nice wood floors, no carpet whatsoever, wood-burning fireplace, nice balcony off the living room, nice place to sit with put a couple tables and chairs and just enjoy a summer evening. As we look back down the other way from the living room, we're going to take a little detour and head over here to this door, which has the important washer and dryer. Beautiful units, full size, ready to go. Coat closet next to it, and then we're going to walk into the large dining area, room for a table, easily seat 6, and beautiful new kitchen, dishwasher, fridge, stove, microwave. And what a microwave that is. Cabinets go right to the ceiling, good space, and the door down at the end is the pantry. Go back out into the hallway, and the first door on the right is the first bathroom. Nice new cabinetry again. Tub and shower. And as we go down the hall, the next door on the left is the linen closet. And we're leading to the second bedroom, a very good size. Lots of room for a queen bed and dressers and all the good stuff. Closet at the end, mirror doors. And as we head out towards the principal bedroom, past the thermostat, central heat, central air, of course, and house this for a great size principal bedroom. Take a look around from the other side. Isn't that a great tree outside? Straight ahead on the left is the walk-in closet. Tons of space. And right next to it is your own private bath. Nobody's going to look through your medicine cabinet. So that's 1340 Brook Street, very close to Randall and Main Street. Walking distance to Starbucks, restaurants, all kinds of places. Give us a call, 773-961-7962. We'd love to show it to you, arrange a private tour. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.